A #1 tourist spot. And we are tourists. Obviously, it was only blown up in the movies. It wasn't really blown up. But William Holden. Goodbye, River Kwai train. Active jumping little place here, that's for darn sure. This was used by the Japanese during the construction of the train line. And this locomotive was used after the train tracks were built. There are over 7,000 prisoners of war buried in this one cemetery here at the River Kwai. Australian, Dutch, British, and they don't know how many Asians. Were 100,000 people died in construction of the Death Railway.